Hi, I'm David. I'm from Intelligent Concrete, and today I'm at AFWERX in Las Vegas. AFWERX is the Air Force's incubator for innovative ideas for all problems and issues associated with the Air Force. There's a lot of people here, a lot of smart people. So it's hot here and there's a lot of hot ideas. So next I'm going to take you into one of the panel discussions in one of the large rooms. Can't really talk in there, so I'm just going to sneak in and show you what's going on. So AFWERX, what is it? It's Air Force's innovative research. Intelligent Concrete, what do? We do innovative solutions with concrete. That's why we're here. We're meeting a lot of people that we'll probably be working with in the future. So I'm David from Intelligent Concrete in Colorado, here in lovely, but kind of hot, Las Vegas.